Good evening everyone, and especially the fans of MB03, ZX Element and Wi-Fi transfers. This time I must show off, just to arouse your curiosity. I want to inform you about my progress about the FTP client. So let's have a look in a very short video. Again, MB03 running on 20 megahertz now. We run the client. We are running on 3.5 megahertz. And what do we have got here? Transfer is complete. Yes. Wow. An FTP directory. We are able to browse it at least. So just for you, to make you curious. And of course, now I'm a little bit further with the coding, but this is just for you, for your pleasure. Have a good evening. See you later in my next video. Bye.